Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics that shape our world. Today, we are diving into the great realm of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and how connected devices are transforming our present and future. So, grab a seat and let's embark on this technological journey together.
Picture a world where everyday objects around us are not just ordinary things, but interconnected devices, constantly communicating with each other and seamlessly integrating into our lives. That's the essence of the Internet of Things. Take a look at this smartwatch on my wrist. It's not just a timepiece, it's a gateway to a world of endless possibilities. From tracking our fitness goals to monitoring our heart rate, the IoT has revolutionized the way we approach personal health and well-being.
Now, let's step into a smart home. Imagine arriving at a house that knows your preferences even before you open the door. Lights automatically adjust to your preferred brightness, the temperature adjusts to your liking, and your favorite music begins to play, all thanks to interconnected devices and intelligent sensors. But the impact of IoT goes far beyond our homes.
It extends to our cities, transforming them into intelligent, interconnected ecosystems. Traffic lights that adapt to real-time traffic conditions, waste management systems that optimize collection routes, and even autonomous vehicles that communicate with each other to ensure safer roads. The Internet of Things is reshaping urban landscapes, making them more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. To dive deeper into this fascinating topic, I had the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Sofia Rodriguez, an expert in IoT and its applications. Let's hear what she has to say. Can you share some insights on how IoT is shaping our future?
Absolutely. The Internet of Things is empowering industries across the board. For instance, in agriculture, farmers can utilize IoT sensors to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, enabling them to optimize irrigation and fertilization practices. This not only maximizes crop yields, but also reduces water and resource wastage. That's incredible. IoT is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives, revolutionizing industries and enhancing our quality of life.
But as with any technology, it also raises questions about privacy and security. To address these concerns, innovative minds are continuously working on developing robust security measures to protect our data and maintain our privacy. Research labs like this are dedicated to ensuring that the benefits of IoT can be enjoyed without compromising our personal information.
As we wrap up this exploration of the Internet of Things, it's awe-inspiring to see how connected devices are shaping our future. From wearable technology to smart cities, IoT has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey into the Internet of Things.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.